Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new Makita replacement batteries. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them out for reviews. Let's go take a look at them. So they do sell them in 4-pack and 8-packs. Oh, check that out. 18 volt. So you know exactly how much charge it has right here. I got one here, so let's test it out real quick. Ready to go. So I'm going to just show you that you can charge it with your Makita charger. So I'll go ahead and take the other battery in here, so you can have one charging while you're using the other one. There we go, being charged up. So let's go and actually try it out. These 18-volt lithium batteries are a game changer if you're tired of swapping out packs mid-project. With a true capacity of 6,000 milliamp hours, they're built to run longer without needing a recharge. Perfect for jobs that demand consistent power from start to finish. They're compatible with the huge range of Makita tools and chargers like the one I showed earlier. If you're already using Makita gear, there's a good chance these will drop right in with no issues. I also like that they include a smart LED power indicator right on the front. It gives you a quick look at how much juice is left, which is way better than guessing or getting cut off mid-task. And let me just say, there is no heating issues even when powering through the entire build. These batteries stayed cool to the touch. That's thanks to the 6-layer safety system that's got built-in protection against overheating, overcharging, over-discharge, over-voltage, overcurrent, and even short circuits. Another thing I noticed was the power delivery was smooth the entire time, no drop-offs, no lag. So if you guys are looking for some new replacement Makita batteries, definitely look into these. I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.